Hello, how are you guys? I hope you guys doing well. Today I just wanted to do a really quick video about this sublimation paper. This is a really simple video, but I just want to clear some confusion or things like that because like one of my videos, it's like a lot of people watch it, is about transfer paper. So the transfer paper, like these two are completely different kind of papers, and some of the questions that I have are about like what is for sublimation, like that do I use sublimation ink or do I use a regular ink? So for this paper, the sublimation paper, this is only for sublimation ink. That's it. You can't use your regular printer or your regular ink for this one. It's really useful. It's a wonderful paper, but again, you can't use this paper with regular ink. It's only for sublimation ink, and you have to have a special printer for it. So, and it's only for inkjet printers, so that use sublimation paper. So that is very important that you know that. And again, it's a wonderful paper, and you can use it for so many things. Like, but it has to be with polyester and that kind of stuff. It's like really limited in what materials you can use, but it's a wonderful paper. Again, and if you want to watch a video about it, I have a couple videos, but with a really good video to watch is the one that I did a pillow with it. So keep that in mind. Again, great paper. It gives you like all the temperatures that you can use with it. It's a wonderful paper. It's just that you can't use it with. It's only with like sublimation ink. That's it, and it tells you that it's only for inkjet printer, so no laser printers or anything like that. So now let's talk about these papers. These papers you can use it with a regular ink. Only no laser paper, no laser printers, only with regular ink. So it has to be an inkjet printer. But again, these papers are wonderful for so many things. I use it even for my clients. It's a wonderful paper. But it's a different kind of use again. So you have two papers. You have one for dark materials, and like shirts, like black shirts, and you have another one that is for white shirts. But this one, like it says there, is compatible again with inkjet printers, and use regular ink again. And this paper is not that expensive, and you can find it in Amazon, or I don't remember if you can buy it in Walmart, but I will be lying. But anyway, I will put the link here in my video, the description, so you can find it. So this one is for light transfer paper. So that's only for white shirts and that kind of stuff, like light materials. And again, this one only for inkjet printer, regular ink. I know that I have put a lot of emphasis in that, but I just want to clarify that because it's really, really important that you guys know the difference, and don't waste money. This It's a wonderful paper that you can use even for your, like, to make a really quick shirt for your, for your kids or anything like that. It's a wonderful paper. So keep that in mind, and don't waste don't waste any money in buying things that it will not work for your thing, for whatever project they're doing. And there's a lot of these people are not paying me for saying this, but I only had tried this brand PPD for like to use with regular paper, and it has worked for me. I use it for clients. So in this one, the sublimation paper, I have used it and I like it. That brands. I haven't used any other brand because I like to stay with whatever works for me. And you guys can try other brands. You're welcome to do that. But this video, I just make it so you guys know what materials I use for my sublimation shirts. because a lot of people are like having questions about if I use regular ink or I use, sublimation ink. So again, most of the times I put the materials in my description so you know what is, the difference, and you know what I'm using. I like to do that, even if you click on the link and don't buy it. Again, I'm not getting paid for what, like these brands that I use. You are welcome to use any brand that you like, but I just, want to clarify that, and you guys, keep that in mind. And if I can help with anything, please let me know in the comments. I'm here, and I'm always trying to answer comments as quick as I can. But again, this is the papers I use, so, and they're great. They work for me. And if you have any other suggestion, please let me know as well. And I will be happy to look at it too. Why not? So again, if you guys like this video, please like it, subscribe, and God bless you. See you next video.